Come on रिचा, क्या शॉट खेलिए? अरे बैट मारना. मतलब like she's literally talking to her bat.
I'm not good at drawing, but I will try here.
This is definitely not my dream jersey. तो इसका बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. इसका तो टेस्ट.
मैं मैच के पहले बैटिंग नहीं करती हूँ mainly.
We have a very fun segment here where you will be designing your dream jersey while answering questions as I ask. So my first question is.
Should we start?
Yeah, you can start.
चलो हम बनाना.
Smriti, did you like drawing in school?
I did like drawing, but I don't think I was good at it. There's two different things.
In school time, I just sometime I draw and something, but I'm not good at drawing. But I will try here.
When you were in school, what were some subjects you liked?
Oh, I love maths, which is rare, but yeah, I was always get 100 on 100 or whatever. So yeah, I love maths. Richa, I don't think she liked anything.
No, I love maths also, and I love most of
झूठ नहीं बोल
English.
रहा है.
No, that's
में
true.
अच्छा, okay,
Yeah. Before I go for more on the cricket, I love science and maths. Yeah.
What is the first memory you have of each other?
It was actually very funny where Richa was like, I think 16-year-old, and I think we were playing a Challengers Trophy, and I was leading. I remember Juluji had told me that ये एक लड़की है, बहुत अच्छी है, देखना उसको. I was like, ठीक है, चलो, I'll see her, no? So first day I felt she's a stalker because I'm like padding up or anything, and Richa is literally like this. The whole time she's just like watching me. I was like, what to do? And then later on I called her. I was like, इधर बैठ. क्या हुआ? पूछ ले. एक बार का पूछ ले. And then she's like, नहीं निधि, I watched you in TV and all. I'm really excited. So very cute. But the first memory of her for me as a cricketer was hitting massive sixes, and which I was like, wow, it was like crazy batting.
So between the both of you, ऐसा क्या है कि something that you admire about each other, what you like as a quality?
Richa ka I admire is, I think, firstly, she's a very nice person. I think people keep talking about hitting sixes and the power she has and all of that, but genuinely she's a very nice person. I've seen her when we lose a match and she's not able to finish. I've seen her literally crying. You know, that sort of tells a lot about what she wants to do for the team. So, which is a great quality and which I admire. I think I keep learning as well. I'm like, okay, cool. This is like what? It's like a mindset which everyone should have as a player.
और मेरे लिए लाइक जैसे जब मैं इंडिया टीम में आई थी, जब स्मृति दी के साथ मैं मिली थी, तो वो जैसे केयर किए थे मेरे लिए, और लाइक जो मेहनत वो करते हैं ऑफ द फील्ड ऑन द फील्ड भी, और उनका जो रूटीन रहता है, डिसिप्लिन, वो सब मुझे बहुत एडमायर किया उनसे. तो वो सब चीज़ें था जो
Good pass होगी.
My next question is, what do you think is a bad, not a bad quality, but like a weird quality about the other?
ये बोलेगी मेरी खराब. Bad quality. It's not bad.
Not bad, like
I think she bats a lot. She just doesn't leave the net at all. उसके दो सबसे अच्छे दोस्त टीम में है जो हमको थ्रो डाउन देते हैं, उसने सेट करके रखे उनको. So totally like once she finishes nets, she'll bat for 2 hours. 1 hour, 2 hours, and she keeps hitting long sixes. Still I don't understand. She bats. So that's one weird quality, but it's good but weird because we don't bat as much before a match. She'll hit like easily 100 sixes before a match. And even yesterday we finished a test match.
No, that's
We fielded her for 250 odd overs, and still we all were like tired. She came, she wore the blue pads and went and started hitting sixes, which is a very weird quality. We would just take a nice bath and chill. See, I'm nice. I'm not a weird person.
उनका जो है लाइक उन्होंने बोला मैं 1 घंटा या 2 घंटा स्टिल बैटिंग करती हूँ. उनका पहले हो गया, फिर वेट करेंगे, ख़त्म जब सबका हो जाएंगे उसका जाएंगे नेट पे, खुद अकेले बैटिंग करेंगे, खुद टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे. ये वर्ड नहीं है, अच्छा है, अच्छा चीज़ है, वर्ड नहीं है, बट
हम दोनों ने अच्छी चीज़ें ही बोल दी फिर जो हमारी. We have like tackled the question well. Good. She's trained well.
do you have any superstitions?
she has a lot.
Yeah, and I was like listen music और like जो मैं करती हूँ इतना नहीं कर का सेम चीज़ वो मैं फॉलो करना ट्राई करती हूँ. जैसे कभी कभी मैं मैच के पहले मैं बैटिंग नहीं करती हूँ मेनली, तो वो मैं हाँ मैच के पहले बैटिंग नहीं करती हूँ, नॉकिंग नहीं करती हूँ.
मैच के दिन.
हाँ मैच के दिन करेक्ट.
मैच के पहले बहुत बैटिंग करती है, मैच के दिन नहीं करती.
हाँ मैच स्टार्ट होने के पहले मैं बैटिंग नहीं करती हूँ वार्म अप में एंड ऑल, तो वो मेरा एक चीज़ मैं मानती हूँ ज़्यादा.
रिचा बैट का सुपरस्टिशन नहीं है कोई. Richa talks to herself. Even when she bats in net, she will talk to herself as well. I don't know if it's superstition or what, but
superstition नहीं है वो.
मतलब if she's batting in next net, I can hear, come on Richa, क्या shot खेली है? अरे bat मारना. मतलब like she's literally talking to her bat.
That's a good thing.
So
वो अच्छा चीज़ है.
Yeah, my superstitions, I don't think मेरे कोई superstitions है. I had a lot growing up. I think as you age, I'm not that old as well, but still as you go on, I think the superstitions, you understand that okay, these are not something which will make you score runs.
I wanted to ask you both, is there a funny incident you can remember from last season RCB that you can tell me about?
Funny.
It was very serious campaign for us guys. Stressful campaign that was. I think the weirdest memory for me as a captain was when we playing at Chennaswamy, and it was really hard to actually captain there because no one could really hear anything because we were trying to like scream them like please move right, left, and then we had few girls. One girl naming Shriyanka Patil. Whenever I was calling her out, she was nicely giving a Deepika Padukone wave to the whole like crowd, like you know, I am like yeah. And I used to keep screaming and shouting at her, but at the end now I find it really funny. At that time it was like really annoying, but then she improved after the second third match after she got a lot of shouting from me. But then yeah,
Kanika was there and Kanika ने मतलब Kanika फील्ड गई थी, डीप में फील्ड करती है कभी कभी और पॉइंट एंड ऑल वो सब में, तो बिकॉज द फैन बिकॉज इतना लाउड उधर था, तो मुंबई में था वो, बट इतना लाउड था कि मुंबई में जाके आरसीबी फैन चेयर कर रहा था, वो अलग बात था. और
इसने सटली डाल दिया है.
और तो वो एक चीज़ था कि कनिका को मैं बोल रही थी थोड़ा मूव करने के लिए क्योंकि फील्डिंग कहाँ चाहिए, तो वो क्राउड की वजह से हम समझने में थोड़ा वो हो रहा था, तो हम हाथ से जो भी इशारा करके फनी टाइप का, तब वो सब मेरे लिए बहुत फनी था उधर. Because वो बहुत funny है.
Richa when she gives her instructions, because she has this heavy Bengali accent, it's funny in itself sometimes. Like, but then that's pretty funny. I think someone who would have had that mic ka thing because she's a keeper, they'll actually figure out. Yesterday she was sledging a lot as well to the South Africans.
Can you tell us about your jersey number and what it means?
बताओ आप पहले.
लिख ही रही हो, रुको आप बोल रहे, तू बोल.
मेरा जर्सी नंबर 13 है और वो छोटा स्टोरी था क्योंकि लाइक जब मैं बंगाल खेल रही थी और T20 मैचेस था बंगाल का, उधर फर्स्ट टाइम हमें जर्सी दिया था जर्सी नंबर्स के साथ, तो मेरे को उसमें 13 ही आया था और उस साल मेरा बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस था इंडिया टीम ज्वाइन करने के पहले, डेब्यू के पहले, तो फिर मैं वो 13 को ही कंटिन्यू की मेरे साथ कि चलो जब इससे अच्छा हुआ है तो मैं उसको ही कंटिन्यू करती हूँ, तो यही था मेरा 13 के पीछे स्टोरी.
I have 18 on my bag. My birth date is 18 July. There's no story behind it. When I was selected for Indian team, I was in school at that time. I was 16, 17. So I really wanted 7 at that time because my roll number was 7 in the school. But then someone had taken it, and the BCCI, someone was there. They just said that take 18 because your birthday is in 18. I said okay, give whatever. Like if not 7, anything is fine. And that's how I ended up getting 18, and it just stayed with me.
You have a favorite jersey from WPL or IPL or any country, and why is it? Why do you like it?
I think favorite jersey for all of us has to be the Indian team jersey, regardless of how many ever team we play. You know, we love all the teams we play for, but when we actually wear the Indian team jersey and you know all the designs, whichever we've had, It's all have been really special, especially having that India logo written on it. I think that's all. You know, that's really special for all of us because we all have the memories of getting the first jersey.
That's true.
They will be same.
एकदम
Copy paste.
I have a couple questions about food.
Okay.
Food.
So,
अच्छी research करके आई. हाँ.
I definitely did not.
क्या फेवरेट है मेरा?
थोड़ी एक दूसरे का थोड़ी है.
हाँ,
इसका
तो
तेरा
ठीक।
इसका बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
नहीं
ये क्या लिखा है तूने रोज?
नहीं
वर्ल्ड कप?
हाँ बना नहीं पाई
जर्सी पे?
बना दी
ठीक
मैंने.
है. अच्छा सॉरी.
अरे यार वो लिखा रहता है ना इधर लोगो अपना वर्ल्ड कप का कौन सा साइड इधर या इधर जिधर भी.
उधर रहता है रे.
हाँ ठीक है बीसीसीआई का रहता है पता है. बीसीसीआई आता नहीं है बनाना.
वर्ल्ड कप.
एक ही अलग है लोगो.
So I was saying, you guys have a favorite food. You travel to so many places, tried so many kinds of food. Is there some kind of food that you tried that you really like?
कौन सा खाना पसंद है?
मेरे को चाइनीज़ पसंद है. चाइनीज़ और थाई. मैं कभी जब बाहर जाती हूँ जिधर मुझे चाइनीज़ ज़्यादा मिलता है तो मैं ट्राई करती हूँ चाइनीज़ के लिए. और बाकी जब मैं घर में और मुझे बंगाली में फूड बहुत पसंद है लाइक दाल राइस एंड जो भी सब्ज़ी बनता है बंगाली में मिक्स वेज का जैसा तो वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
आई थिंक सब कुछ खा के देख लिया. एट द एंड मुझे मम्मी के हाथ का खाना ही पसंद है. सो आई थिंक आई विल स्टिक टू मॉम्स कुक्ड फूड. मॉम विल गिव गुड फूड ना आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू दिस इंटरव्यू.
पास
So my last question is about your jerseys that you're designing.
आई थिंक लेट्स नॉट कम टू दैट ओनली.
नॉट कंप्लीटेड येट.
मेरी हो गई.
मैं नाम तो लिखने दो मुझे.
दिस इज अ कंपटीशन.
Did you did?
अरे पहले बोल दे. अच्छी करती यार. देखो बस.
मेरा जर्सी का मतलब लाइक क्या है इसमें कभी इसका
जो मन में आया कर दिया.
स्टार्ट मैं करती हूँ फिर.
मैं करूँ.
हाँ इनको
Okay.
स्टार्ट करो.
This is definitely not my dream jersey. What we are wearing at the moment is my dream jersey, but still I think I've added a little more color to it. I've added some yellow, red, orange तो होता ही है. But yeah, otherwise yeah, just plain. इसकी अच्छी दिख रही है actually.
नहीं जो हम पहने वही अच्छा है बट ये मेरा जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम डेब्यू की थी तो उसमें ऑरेंज था साइड से बॉर्डर एंड ब्लू कलर जैसे ब्लू पेंट कम था तो ब्लू कम दिया बट तब वर्ल्ड कप में मैं डेब्यू की थी तो उसका मैं बनाने की कोशिश की और वही था.